Oh, hello again. This is Diamond from Diamond Shine Soap. I'm excited to see you today. Today we're going to do a very quick video. And in this video, we're going to do a holiday cow print dough bowl candle. If you love my videos, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss up and coming videos that will be featured on this channel. Guys, if you want to make this candle and you need every single thing that I'm using, go ahead and click the link in the description box. It will take you to the Patreon. All of my candle making recipes are there. You won't waste any money trying to learn candles. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So first things first is you're going to need a pipette. Now, a lot of people use plastic pipettes. They are completely fine. But sometimes what I notice about using those plastic pipettes is the wax can sometimes get a little clogged in there and you can't just get it out by using the heat gun. So I always use the glass ones. I like the glass ones a whole lot better, okay? So first things first is you're going to go ahead and find you a comfortable spot to start, and you're just going to go ahead and start dropping your candle wax onto your dough bowl candle in a circular motion. You want to make it look like, because this is what I'm doing some cow print, so you want to make it look like cow print as close as possible. So just kind of put circles on. And what I did was I started out this way, and then I ended up putting a little bit more dye. So I ended up having to go back over these circles again because I wanted it to be a little bit darker. The first layer of red that I did was extremely too light for my liking, okay? Now, when it came down to the wax that I chose for this particular candle, I did go with a Parasoy wax because this candle is very strong. It's triple wicked. And, I wanted it to smell like sweet potato and brown sugar because that is honestly the only thing I want to smell in this season besides pumpkin pecan waffles. Those are my two favorites, okay? All right, so when it came down to wicking this particular candle, now listen, you cannot use any wicks that are small because the width of the dough bowl will cause it to tunnel. So I ended up going with some hotter burning wicks than what I would normally go with. And they actually ended up burning perfectly in this particular vessel. Now, you can't use any kind of dough bowl because I know people are going to ask that question. You need to make sure that it is coated. It has to be coated in order to keep it from burning because wood can be, and it is highly flammable, okay? So you just can't just buy any wooden dough bowl off of Amazon. If you need the vendor for my dough bowls, I will definitely leave them in the Patreon. Guys, listen, I have been making candles for over 4 years now. I have a whole lot of experience if you just joining the channel, and I teach people from all over the country how to make candles. I make the process very easy for you, meaning that I give you your wick size, your fragrance loads. I give you free classes in the Patreon, live classes, pretty much Zooms. We actually have a Zoom coming up on Friday, and we're going to be doing a candle making class in that Zoom. So I pretty much teach people how to make candles, and it just saves you so much money. You don't have to go around, just burning up wax and testing. I want you guys to get it right. Anyway, guys, I am finished. I love the way this candle turned out. I will see you guys again. All right.